Sagot nga po may isang request. Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa ay unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tumula. Natatandaan mo pa ba? Inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay mong gumamela. Magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Kabiyak ng ating gunita, sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Ngayon ikaw ay nagbalik, at tulad ko rin ang iyong pananabik. Makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan hanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman, bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Must have been cold throwing my shadow, to never have sunlight on your face. You were content to let me shine, that's your way. You always walk a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, when you were the one with all the strength. a beautiful face without a name for so long, a beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you're my hero and everything I would like to be? I can fly higher than an eagle, 'cause you are the wind beneath my wings. It might have appeared to go unnoticed, but I've got it all here in my heart. I want you to know I know the truth, 'cause I know that I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? You're everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than an eagle, 'cause you are the wind beneath my wings. Did I ever tell you you're my hero? You're everything, everything I wish I could be. I could fly higher than an eagle, 'cause you are the wind beneath my wings. 'Cause you are the wind beneath my wings. Oh, the wind beneath my wings. You are a wind beneath my wings. Fly, fly away. You let me fly so high. Oh, you are the wind beneath my wings. Oh, you are the wind beneath my wings. Fly, fly, fly high against the sky, so high I almost touch the sky. Thank you, thank you, thank God for you to win beneath my wings. Di ko kayang dayain ang laman ng aking damdamin. Hanggang ngayon ay ikaw pa rin ang mahal na mahal kong lihim. Sana ay iyong mapansin ang tanging dalangin. Bakit ang mga text mo ay lagi binabasa ko, upang ang lungkot na nadarama ay mapawi panandalian. Bumabalik Nadala mo nang ikaw ay lumayo, kaya't hanggang ngayon ito ay bihag mo. Damdamin sa iba, hinayaang di maramdaman, umaasa'y ikaw ay magbabalik pa. Susi ng aking puso, nadala mo nang ikaw ay lumayo, kaya't hanggang ngayon ito ay bihag mo. Damdamin sa iba, ikaw ay magbabalik pa. Susi ng aking puso, nadala mo nang ikaw ay lumayo, kaya't hanggang ngayon ito ay bihag mo. Ikaw ay magbabalik pa, magbabalik pa, magbabalik pa. Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet as rain upon my tongue. I teased at life as if it were a foolish game, the way the evening breeze may tease a candle flame. The thousand dreams I dreamed, the splendid things I planned, I always be the last on a weekend shifting sand. I lived by night and shunned the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years ran away. Yesterday, when I was young, so many lovely songs were waiting to be sung, so many wayward pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast that time and youth at last ran out. I never stopped to think what life was all about, and every conversation I can now recall concern itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. I used my magic age as if it were a well, and never saw the ways of emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit too quickly died. The friends I made all seemed somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. There are so many songs in me that won't be sung. I feel the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue. The time has come for me to pay for yesterday when I was yesterday, when I was young, so many lovely songs were waiting to be sung. So many wayward pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see.